If you want to add some interactive magic to your website, you are in for a treat. Divi 5 introduces a brilliant system of triggers, effects, and targets that work together to create dynamic, engaging interactions. No code required. So whether it's a button pop-up or a smooth fade-in hero, understanding these three elements will unlock a whole new level of creativity. In this video, we are diving into how triggers, effects, and targets differ and how to use them to make your Divi 5 site stand out. So ready to level up your design game? Then let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you're watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. Now, if in case you want to deep dive in this topic and learn more about it, we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you are done with this video, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it really helpful. So let's break down the basics of Divi 5 interaction system, which hinges on three key players working in harmony. A trigger that kicks things off like a mouse click or page load, an effect, the reaction like a tilt or fade, and a target is element that changes such as button or section. Now getting to know each part separately helps you see how they come together to create a seamless interaction experience. It's like setting up a stage where every move has a purpose. So let's explore how it all fits. Number 1. Trigger. Every interaction starts with a trigger, the first action a visitor takes to see things in motion. Think of it as the spark, maybe moving your mouse over a pricing card or clicking a button. On its own, a trigger doesn't do much. It's just waiting for the next step. For example, hovering over that card is the trigger that starts the fun. But it needs something to respond to make the magic happen. It's the opening act of your design story. Number 2. Effect. Now once the trigger fires, the effect takes center stage. This is where you decide how your elements react, whether it tilts, fades, scales, or maybe blurs. Imagine that same pricing card growing slightly and casting a deeper shadow as your cursor hovers. That's the effect in action. It's the creative response that brings your design to life, turning a simple action into visual delight. You will pick the perfect effect to match your vision next. Number 3. Target. Now the target is the star that changes when the trigger activates. Traditionally, the element you interact with, like a column or hover over, also becomes the target, scaling or shifting on its own. But Divi 5 takes it further now. The trigger and the target can be different. For instance, moving your cursor over a section can make a button scale, even if it doesn't touch it. This flexibility opens up a world of design possibility. So let's see the real power when trigger, effect, and target team up. It's like wiring a circuit. The trigger fires with an action like click or hover. The effect defines the response like fade or tilt. And the target applies that change to the chosen element. So picture this, a hover on a column tilts its button or a page loads, fading in hero image followed by its headline. You can chain actions, stager reveals, or animate multiple modules at once, turning your layout into a coordinated masterpiece. It's a design language that connects everything beautifully. Now Divi 5 interaction follow a very clear and repeatable formula. Trigger, effect, target. This simple pattern makes even complex setup a breeze. So let's put it into action with a practical example, creating a contact form pop-up. So set the trigger to click on a button, the effect to show element or a hidden form, and the target to contact section. Add an anchor link with CSS ID like contact and link it to the button and hide the form initially. Now go ahead and click the button and boom, the form appears magically. This same flow works for pop-up, reveals, or chained animation, unlocking endless creative options once you master the pattern. So now you got the formula. Now it's time to play. Open a test layout and whip up a quick interaction in just a few minutes, like a button scaling on mouse entry or a hero fading in on load page. Try something practical for a client site and see the magic unfold. So ready to experiment? Download the Divi 5 public alpha today and test these interactions and check out the blog post for more tips. Make sure you share your creations in the comment section below. We would love to see what you create. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.